This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Executive home completed by the renowned builder Perry Homes. Ready for the most discriminating taste in Grand Mission Estates. Master planned community with lots of open spaces located minutes from shopping, entertainment, restaurants, services and all major commuter routes. Relax on the fully furnished back patio overlooking the landscaped yard and garden or the decorated and furnished screened porch. Gourmet Kitchen comes with 4 custom bar stools tailored perfectly for the huge island. 4 extra large bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Immaculate and well cared for with plenty of closet space, walk-in pantry and oversized garage. Home comes with a generator and a water softener system. A must-see. Schedule your private tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.